The seated cable decline fly is an excellent isolation exercise for targeting the lower part of your chest to help sculpt and define your pecs. The main difference between the seated versus the standing high to low cable decline fly is the seated variation provides more stability as it doesn't require as much core activation to stabilize the movement when standing. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach handles to both sides of a cable machine, positioning the pulleys at chest height or slightly higher when seated. Position an incline bench set at a 75-degree angle between the cables facing away from the machine. Sit on the bench with your feet pressed into the floor and your back firmly pressed into the backrest. Grab each handle with a neutral, palms facing inward grip. Begin with your arms extended out to the sides, keeping a slight bend in your elbows to protect your joints. Your chest should be up, core tight, and shoulder blades pulled back and down. In a controlled motion, bring the handles together in a forward and downward sweeping arc, finishing in front of your stomach with a slight bend in your elbows. Squeeze your chest muscles at the peak of the movement, focusing on the lower portion of your pecs. Slowly reverse the motion, allowing your arms to return to the starting position while maintaining the slight bend in your elbows, keeping your shoulders down and back to prevent excessive strain on the joints. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.